looks like snow, but it's just a sheet of ice right now. Just stopped to take some more pictures, but look at this. This is what I'm talking about. Alright, well, this week's video didn't go as planned. I was planning on going out in the snowstorm with the RT4WD drive wagon because we're supposed to get like well over a foot of snow, and we ended up only getting like 3 or 4 inches, and it's already melting. So yeah, I guess it's gonna be another bogus video, but we'll go at least go for a POV drive in it. Maybe we'll find some mud or something. I don't know. We'll just see what we can find. What up? So the tires we used in this video today are Hankook Winter Pike. I think they're RS or something. Yeah, whatever that is. But these are directional snow and ice tires. These are my favorite winter tire. I've had these same tires, not this exact set, but these same style tires on several of my vehicles, even just front wheel drive cars, and they are the best snow tire I've ever had. And even in the non-studded version, they have so much grip on ice. And I do believe they're considered a mud tire too. I do know they work very well in the mud. So yeah, that, and they're the 3-peak rating. But yeah, can't stress enough how good these tires are. I'm not sponsored or anything. I've just always loved these tires. I've recommended them to several people, and they absolutely love them as well. So yeah, great tires. And this is the tire size I'm running. They're slightly oversized for this car, but I also have a little 2-inch block lift on this thing, so did this on purpose. These cars are so comfortable. I don't like the seating. It's not like too tall, not too short. It's actually just like a very nice car to sit in. Kind of like a Honda CR-V, but just a cooler version and a little bit smaller. But yeah, every time I drive this car, it's just amazing how comfortable it is for such a 80s, 90s car. Not even mud over here. The snow's kind of still frozen. And for anyone that may not know the car, it is a completely bone stock RT4WD drive wagon. Has factory AC, heat, all that. Very nice car. And I'm actually potentially selling it if someone gives me what I'm looking for. The other really cool thing about these RT4WD drive wagons are the super low gear. This is the technically 6-speed manual because it's got this low gear and it just crawls. And I have oversized tires on this thing with that 2-inch lift. I mean, you just barely have your foot on the gas and it just crawls over everything, no problem. Got all the torque. And then this is a weird shift. You go like this, and then into first from the low. Second. Trunk rattle is so bad, I gotta fix that. I think it's just the little rubber stoppers that you like back out to provide a cushion. I don't know where to go from here. We'll figure it out. go find snow. Going up this elevation over here, getting into more snow. And for anyone that's worried about me driving this in the snow, we don't salt in Montana, so there's absolutely no rust. Like, all these trucks and old cars out here look like they're from Texas because they don't salt. So snow doesn't harm a vehicle, it's just like rain. So we basically drive on ice all winter when it gets below freezing and stays below freezing. So I don't know if you noticed when I was walking around my car earlier, the tires look really low, and that's because I have them aired down for ice to get a little more traction. But yeah, just wanted to clarify that. I know people will be concerned about rust or something because they see snow, but like I said, no rust, no salt out here, no coastal salt air like that, whatever you call it, that humidity. It's just dry, cold air. Dangerous because people fly down here with their pickups with cattle in the back, and they just whip these corners wide and you nearly get ran off the road, or you do get ran off the road. So I always slow down quite a bit. Good old America right there. Old truck hauling hay with a dog. Good old God's country out here. We're not even out in the wilderness yet. This is all ranches. I'm not gonna go too far because I don't really have much gas, and this video is more of a improv. So yeah, that's what happens when your plans get canceled. But I want to stay true to giving you guys weekly content. So hope you enjoyed this. Kind of a little different, but putting the RT wagon to use. I want to find somewhere nice to take pictures, but it's hard because the roads are narrow and there's nowhere to pull off really. So I don't want to be outside of my vehicle and then have a rancher be flying up with a load of cattle or hay or something. This is all ice. It looks like snow, but it's just a sheet of ice right now. It's so slippery. It just gets packed from people driving on it, and oh yeah, see, I just lost steering right there. Yeah, it's so easy to spin all fours with these nice tires. It's almost like this car is wicked fun to drive in the snow and stuff because it just eats through it, but it's almost not fun because you can't get sideways and play with it because it just kind of goes where you put it. But it's a great daily driver and something you can push through snow with without being concerned of getting stuck or whatever, especially with a little 2-inch lift on it. Yeah, I just found somewhere to turn around, but I'd go up further, but I'm not doing too good on gas because I didn't really have any in here to begin with. But yeah, a nice drive. One of these days maybe I'll go up quite a ways into like Forest Service area or something. But it is beautiful out here, and the further up you go, the better it gets. All right, hopefully we got enough gas to get home. Trucks, when they go up like these hills and they start spinning, they just skip and make these holes, and it's like a washboard. I don't know what this guy's doing. Oh, hunters. Maybe that is forest land up there. It's kind of spotty, or maybe he just owns that property. I don't know. A lot of this is all ranch owned property, so you can't really go on them. You have to go up quite a few miles to get on Forest Service. But this road is still just a really nice drive. Get more scenery and get out of paved roads. Just stopped to take some more pictures, but look at this. This is what I'm talking about. It is just a sheet of ice. Given I have Vans on, but it's ice. Like, this would be just as slippery with boots on, but it's crazy. It's just fascinating to me that, like, as you climb up the mountains, I mean, it's obvious, but you just run into more and more snow as you get up there. I mean, it's barely even, I think it's like 35 degrees out today, so it's pretty warm for winter. It's supposed to be in the 40s and 50s for the next couple weeks, but you can just go up in elevation if you want to get some snow. And as we saw in the little clip earlier, the mountains have snow on them, so pretty cool. I don't know, just going from New York to Montana is just a unique thing where you can just experience that. And we're back on pavement. Alright, we made it back to the garage. If you guys like this style video, or like going up, doing some like off-road stuff, adventure, let me know in the comments. I'll do more of it. Definitely don't drive this car as much as I probably could or should, but I don't know. I don't like risking getting it broken because it is a pretty rare car. Anyways, if you like the video, I appreciate a like. Subscribe if you want to stay up to date with the builds and the projects and the adventures. And follow my Instagram, Conjo_brothers, if you want to see more pictures and content on there of the car and my other vehicles and projects. But as always, thank you for watching. And if you want Conjo Brothers stickers or t-shirts, hoodies, hit me up on Instagram as well if you want to support the channel, and I appreciate it.